Okay guys, on July 1st, 2023, now you can see that this is my plant of silver bracts, or you can also call it as the pachyphytum bracteosum. It is a little bit close with that of echeveria, that is called as Pearl von Nürnberg, except with certain differences like its leaf shapes. Okay, so now you can see that we have a little bit mature plant with two stem cuttings. Now we need to propagate it from the stem cutting, so we will take one stem out. Now we are removing its lower leaves. Why we are doing it? Because if the leaves get in contact with the media or soil, they can cause certain root rot. Okay, now you can also see that there is wound. This is the wound. Okay, and we have to keep the stem cutting in the shade for about 1 to 2 days so that it will get healed out. A very little membrane, which is called as the callus, will cover this wounded part. Okay, now we have to keep it in the shade. Okay, on July 2nd, 2023, that is after 1 day. Now you can see that our wound is a little bit healed. As you can see, the wound is healed, and now we have taken one simple PET bottle. Okay, now you can also see that we have certain holes. We have done certain holes. Okay, also, and this is our media, which is very sandy type, and it consists of simple sand and simple garden soil, which are in 50-50% ratio. So you need to add 50% sand and 50% simple garden soil and then mix them well. Now we are putting media in our pot, and this type of PET bottles have a very long life. Okay, although some people do not use to recommend these, but in my case I can say that these pots are more reliable than that of PPR or some PVC thing. Okay, this is PET, that is polyethylene terephthalate material, and it's having very much resistive to the sun and rain. Okay, so now you can see that how our water used to ooze out from the bottom. So this is called as the good drainage. If we used to add the sand, it means that it provides a lot of drainage. Now we are just inserting our stem cutting in the media. Okay, and small pot is very good. Small pot is very good for these type of stem cuttings because it do not use to hold water for long time, so obviously it is a very good thing. Now again we have to keep this in shade for some days or even for some weeks so that we can see the results. Okay, on July 14, 2023, I am doing the dubbing. That is, all the videos are made on different dates, and then I used to dub my voice on all these clips. Now I have the same stem, and after a lot of days. Okay, so now I will zoom it a little bit so that you will see it properly. Now this is my pachyphytum bracteosum or silver bracts plant. Okay, now we will now I can see that it is a very good root ball. Okay, it is having a lot of fibrous roots, as succulents used to produce less roots than other plants. Why it is so? Because they are well adapted to drought and heat, so they do not use to produce a lot of roots. Now I'm removing the media from roots, but still media has been clinging to the roots, as you can see. So I'm tapping it with my forceps as well, but still you can see that if the media is clinging to the root, it's okay. You can see some roots protruding out from the media. So this is my result of pachyphytum bracteosum or silver bracts propagation from the stem cutting. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.